Welcome to the Beginner's Guide to the Temu Affiliate Program, your full step-by-step walkthrough to start earning commissions online. Whether you're brand new to affiliate marketing or just curious about what Temu has to offer, this guide will show you exactly how to sign up, promote products, and start getting paid. To join, head over to affiliate.temu.com. Click sign up and register using your email address or link an existing Google or Facebook account. Fill in your basic information, including how you plan to promote Temu, whether it's via a blog, YouTube channel, or social media. After submitting your application, you'll be reviewed and usually approved quickly. Once accepted, you'll gain access to your affiliate dashboard, where all your promotional tools and analytics live. Once you're logged in, go to the Promote section of the dashboard. Here you'll find your unique affiliate referral link. This is what you'll share with your audience. You can also generate specific product links using Temu's built-in link generator, which is handy if you're reviewing or showcasing one particular item. This makes your promotions feel more natural and targeted, which can boost clicks. Pick products that are trendy, practical, or highly reviewed to increase your chances of getting conversions. Temu has a wide variety of items, and their low prices make them especially appealing to budget-conscious shoppers. Look for seasonal items, viral gadgets, or gifts that people are already searching for. You can even test a few different categories to see which ones perform best for your audience. Now it's time to promote your link and start driving traffic. You can use social media, share product photos, short reviews, or list-style content on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, or Pinterest. YouTube is another great option. Create product reviews, hauls, or unboxing videos, and drop your affiliate links in the description. Blogging works well too. Write top 5 product lists or gift guides featuring Temu products. And don't forget email marketing. Share limited time deals or recommendations with your subscribers. Be sure to clearly disclose your affiliate relationship. It builds trust and keeps you compliant with FTC rules. In your Temu dashboard, you'll see real-time stats showing how your affiliate links are performing. You can track the number of clicks, conversions, and commissions earned. This data helps you figure out what's working and what needs improvement. For example, if your TikTok links are converting better than Instagram, double down on that strategy to grow your earnings faster. Once your earnings reach the minimum payout amount, usually $20, you can request a withdrawal. Temu currently offers payouts via PayPal or direct bank transfer. Just go to your account settings and add your preferred payment method. Payouts are processed fairly quickly, so you don't have to wait long to see the results of your efforts. To really boost your affiliate earnings, try these simple but powerful tips. Focus on short-form videos. They get more views and higher engagement. Stay consistent. Post new content several times a week to stay visible. Promote during major sales like Black Friday or back to school. Interact with your audience by answering questions and giving honest opinions. Use clear calls to action like tap the link in bio or check the description. With time, consistency, and a little creativity, your commissions can grow significantly. And that's your complete beginner's guide to the Temu affiliate program. If this video helped you, give it a like, hit subscribe, and drop your questions below. The best way to learn is to start. So grab your link, share what you love, and start earning today. Thanks for watching and good luck on your affiliate journey.